Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how can you install drivers in your PC from your mobile. So first thing is that you have internet. So if you have internet package, connect your mobile with your PC by USB threading. The method is connect the USB cable in your PC and your mobile. After that, go toward your settings and search for USB threading. It is usually in hotspot section. So connected. So now internet is connected to our PC from our mobile. So here we have a software. First of all, I am going toward the PC screen. So this software is needed. Download it from the link in the description. So I am going to installing it. Our software installs. Click on no thanks and scan for the drivers. For this process, your internet must be connected and scan for the drivers. So here it detected 10 outdated device drivers. So already I have installed drivers, so that's why it is outdated only and extreme old drivers are only detected. I am downloading it, so it is about 48 MB. It will download. If your PC is newly window installed, so it will be maybe up to 200 MBs or 150 MBs file. So after downloading, it will automatically install, and after installation, restart your PC and your driver is done. Thanks for watching video. For more videos, like and comment our video and subscribe to our channel.